Drying stabilizes the beans after fermentation.
Moisture is slowly reduced under controlled conditions.
Sun and air work together to dry the beans. Turning ensures even drying across every bean. Drying locks in flavor and prevents spoilage. Dried beans now move toward industrial processing. The journey continues from farm to factory. Industrial processing begins at the factory intake. Sorting removes defects before further processing. Only suitable beans move forward. Sorted beans now move toward roasting. Sorted beans now move toward roasting. Roasting is where cocoa flavor is unlocked. Heat transforms raw beans into aromatic cocoa. Precise timing controls flavor development. Roast level is carefully monitored. Roasting stops at peak flavor. Roasted beans move to shell removal. Roasted beans are prepared for shell removal. Cracking breaks beans into shell and core. Airflow separates shells from cocoa nibs. Only cocoa nibs continue forward. Shells are removed from the process. Nibs now move toward grinding. Grinding releases cocoa's natural fats. Mechanical pressure begins breaking nibs down. Heat and friction turn solids into liquid cocoa. The result is a smooth cocoa mass. Particle size is reduced for smoothness. Cocoa mass moves to further refinement. Cocoa mass is prepared for separation. Pressure forces cocoa components apart. Cocoa butter is extracted from the mass. Remaining solids form dense cocoa cake. Pure cocoa butter is collected separately. Components are recombined for chocolate making. Components are recombined for chocolate making. Chocolate formulation
begins with controlled mixing. Cocoa mass forms the base of chocolate. Cocoa butter adjusts texture and flow. Mixing ensures even distribution of components. Refinement creates a smooth chocolate base. Chocolate moves into long-term refinement. Conching refines chocolate over extended time. Chocolate is slowly worked inside the conche. Friction reduces bitterness and acidity. Flavor and texture continue to develop. Conching finishes chocolate refinement. Refined chocolate moves to crystallization. Tempering controls chocolate crystallization. Chocolate is carefully heated and cooled. Cooling forms stable cocoa butter crystals. Reheating removes unstable crystals. Proper tempering creates shine and snap. Tempered chocolate is ready to be shaped. Molding gives chocolate its final shape. Tempered chocolate is deposited precisely. Vibration removes trapped air. Cooling sets the chocolate structure. Chocolate solidifies into its final form.
Shaped chocolate is ready for release.
Once set, chocolate is ready for release. Proper tempering allows clean release.
Each piece is visually inspected.
Surface quality reflects precise processing. Imperfect pieces are removed. Approved chocolate continues to packaging. Uniform alignment ensures consistent packaging. Packaging protects finished chocolate. Chocolate is sealed in protective wrapping. Secondary packaging adds protection. Packaging integrity is checked. Packaged chocolate enters controlled storage. Chocolate is stored under controlled conditions. Products are organized for transport. Chocolate waits in temperature-controlled storage.
Products are prepared for distribution. Chocolate travels to retail locations.
Distribution completes the supply chain. Retail displays preserve product quality.
Chocolate is carefully stocked for customers.
Presentation influences perception.
Consumers encounter chocolate at the shelf. Availability completes the journey.
The journey reaches the consumer.
Every process leads to this moment.
Structure reveals craftsmanship.
Quality is visible without words.